Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come with an amazing video. In this video I am going to talk to you about a new TRX mining website. This website is very special and I give you a complete review about it. Please watch the video complete so I can explain all the information about this. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. Now friends, I go to the my link of this website. First I explain it in Chrome, then I use it by using this wallet. By using this wallet, you first need to download the Trust wallet and other wallets by using these features. And you can see that I click on a tab browser, then I need to click on there my address. I will explain you all the information step by step. First friends, I open my Chrome here, then I paste my address here, then I click on continue options. You can see that USDTFF.com. Here you can see that this some details I give you about this. Please watch this video complete so I can explain. Please watch the video complete and like this video and subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye. In previous video I described you about a TRX mining website through the trading options, but in this web portion you can earn a huge profit by using this website. Such as friends, you can see that Tron is a Tron coin. You can check this is a Tron coin. Here you not need no any other need to register to other accounts. There is no need, but you need to concentrate about this opportunity and use this opportunity as a gift. And in the down you can see that friends said that participate condition is that you can see that every household claim 10 to 1000 TRX token worth is 1 USDT piece. You can try to understand it. I give you a complete review how to allow how to enter in this website. And you can see that Tron takes it has its mission to promote the decentralized of the internet, and he is committed to building infrastructures for the decentralized internet. Its Tron protocol is one of the world's largest blockchain-based decentralized application operating system protocol, providing high throughput, high scalability, and high reliability. Underlying public chain support for the operation of decentralized application on the protocol. Tron also provide better capability for Ethereum smart contracts through an innovative pluggable smart contract platform. Since July 24, 2018, Tron has acquired BitTorrent Inc., an internet technology company based in San Francisco. The distributed technology designed by BitTorrent Inc. can effectively expand, remain intelligent, and enable creators and consumers to control their content and data. More than 170 million people use product developed by BitTorrent Inc. every month. BitTorrent Inc. protocol can transmit 40% of the world internet traffic every day. And friends, in the down you can see that around 200 million USDT reward. The main purpose of liquidity and mining is to obtain user and traffic to increase the liquidity of tokens. The people who participated in the mining provide liquidity, brought heat to the market every day. They used USDT to support Tron. And friends, in the done you can see that every day they use USDT to support Tron for trading and mining, and they also received reward for the Tron chain. You can participate if you have USDT in your wallet. Daily interest rule is as are you follows that you can see 10 to 300,000 USDT daily 2.5%, 3,000 to 50,000 3%, 4%, 4.5%, and 6%. You can check here. No need to transfer currency. You can participate if you have USDT in your wallet. Zero investment, zero next. The following interruption right belongs to. These are the global partners of this website, and these are using by using these features. You can see that daily withdrawal, no disruption. Tron development history. You can check the Tron development history such as January 17, 2009, and you can check all these informations. Now friends, I am going to show you. I click on a Tron. What happened when I click on a Tron claim? You can see that receive description. You need to pay a mine fee to receive a voucher. Please make sure that your wallet has enough Tron as the receive amount. Now click on receive amount. You can see the copy successfully, but it runs in our application. Now I go to my Trust wallet account and show you how to open it. For opening it, you need to go to your account such as tab browser. After clicking on a tab browser, you need to click on a send option, such as this is the send search option. I click on a search option, then I paste the address here, then I click on a send options. You can see that USDTFF.com successfully added in my account. You can check here, and you can check that I need to connect my multi-chain account with this. I click on a connect button. You can see that it loading. I receive complete loading. You have Ethereum mining fee low because of this. Now I open it in a Tron Pro link. And you can see that I open it in a Tron. You can check that I open in a Tron Pro link. As I follow you, open the tab browser. First click on send option, and now you need to click on approve option. Friends, such as I click on approve option, you can see that it approved successfully, and you can see that I approve it, and you can see that there are no options showing. I try to show the all necessary information about this. First I try to get out and get this transaction history out of this. Now friends, you can check that I open it by a new Metron Pro link account. First you can see that authorizing steps. First you need to select the save mode, then you need to click on a continue. You can check that I open and I can click on a continue. After clicking continue, you need to click on a confirm. This is a trigger smart contract. You need to click on a confirm. After clicking confirm, you need to put your password. And you can check this. I enter my password. After entering the password, I need to only click on a confirm. After clicking on a confirm, you can see that I need to approve the 11 TRX by using this feature. Now I click on improve. You need to follow these steps, and you can see that the look of this website now is a new profile. First I open in a Mytron Pro link that is already registered with this account, but now I make it in a new one. You can see that I already describe you this information first, and you can see that now I am going to describe you the new information of this. You can check there. Tron coin is that, Tron link claim is that, participate in conditions, each household get that. Now friends, I click on a Tron claim. First you can see that I click on a Tron claim. You can see that receive description. I click on a receive. After clicking on receive, you can see that copy and please run it as well and in the account. Now friends, you can see that after claiming on, you can see that it changed into this form. Now I click on it. You can see that I click on it, and you can see that here you can see that some steps you need to deposit in this website only of 10 TRX for the claiming of this. You can see that I have a zero balance, and you can withdraw it by clicking on the withdraw option, but I have not balance in this website. Here you can see that user status, total output balance, wallet balance, withdrawal able, share dividends, and you click on a mining pools. You can see that track output, valid node, participate, or user menu, and these are the user output of this website. You can check this. Now friends, I go back here. You can see that I click on a 0 USDT that is already added. Now friends, I close this page to show you how much TRX cut from my account for the opening of this account. Now friends, I go back here. You can see that my 6 TRX cut from my account for the opening of this. Now I wait for the more cutting of this amount, because your amount is successfully cut from this, because your account are successfully cutted. And you can see that I click on again 0 USDT. You need to click on this portion, and that as you can see that I click on a USDT portion. You can check your account status by clicking on the account. I click on account. Here you can see that these are the all details. You can check this. My share dividends is 1%. You can increase it by investing more and more TRX. For the sharing option, you need to click only at this portion of this account, and you can see that I click on this option. By clicking this, you need to click on a copy link. After copy the link, you need to share with your friends, and friends, you are invest in this website, you can get automatically the rewards. I hope friends you like this video, and I'll subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.